both armies, French Navy and French Air Force. 3 are operational in the French Air Force and 2 in the French Navy, presently on board of the French Navy. Touch and go and take off. Fighter aircraft can fly very fast, but as you can see, with 25 degrees of incidence, especially when you have the weather very windy like yesterday, it's not like a Harrier, but it looks like a Harrier at this speed. That's not a Harrier. Very fast overflight. Very often before firing, it's interesting to fly over the enemy at low altitude and very high speed. New IG barrel roll. In the French Navy, and in total we expect to have around 300 Rafale in the French Air Force in Belgium. Another pass, but as you can see, is upside down. For return, passing you. very orthodox method. On the top of the loop, you will put the wheels down for a full stop. Nothing will be possible without crew chief, and you know that it's probably the only wedding with 3 people is possible in the aviation. You must have a pilot, of course, an aircraft, and also a technician. There is no speed for landing, and it will be stopped before the first strip. It was, ladies and gentlemen,